Okay, guys, welcome back. We already deployed the natural language processing model, but I wanted to take a break because we're going to get to Google Cloud later after this video, and we're going to deploy a machine learning model, and later after that, a deep learning model. But before any of that, I just want you guys to get familiar with Google Colab and show you how cool it is. TensorFlow is pre-installed. Although, one thing I wanted to show you guys, most people don't know this, is how easy it is to get the model to predict something. Really, from right here, this is all you got to do. And how I got train set class and dices is, you see earlier, train set, and then there's a, well, you guys know this. You guys are, obviously, if you guys are watching this, most of you are machine learning engineers or data scientists, or some of y'all are new, and then obviously 384, you see that was the same input shape as the target size and input shape, so that's why. And then it was on an axis of 3, and then rescale 255, just like you did earlier. Anyways, just wanted to show you something handy. There's another way to predict, and I'll show you that in a way later video. Another way to give a percentage from prediction of an image. Okay, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like and see more videos.